Hey guys, welcome to another video. As you guys see by the title, today we are going to be using the new Milk palette by Mama Mitchell. So this is what the palette looks like right here. Very nice, just black and white. And then this is the inside. So beautiful. I did talk about this in my buy or pass video, as well as my Ulta haul video that I just posted, and this is what the palette looks like. So beautiful. We got some neutrals up on the 2 rows, and then the last 3 rows are more pops of color, and that's what I like about this. You can kind of tone it down if you want to, or if you want to tone it up, you can also do that. So I was so excited to play with this palette. This is the look I created. I just got out of work, and I do work almost 11-hour shifts, so I just wanted to do something very nice and easy, and I feel like it came out really nice. It's like a very monochromatic purple eye look, and yeah, I like the way it looks, so hopefully you do too. Before I jump into this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like my look. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and without further ado, let's just jump right into this demo.
Alright guys, so this is me showing you guys the palette yet again. I'm going to start off by taking the shade Angus. It's a very beautiful deep burgundy purple shade, and I am using my JH40 brush here. It's my trusty brush, and I'm going to build this shade up on my crease. Then I am going to switch to a fluffier brush. I'm taking the shade right here called Purr, and I am blending this on top of that Angus shade. Then I am going to go back into each of those shades again and just blend them into one another better. Now I'm taking some micellar water with a Q-tip, and it is time to cut the crease. So you guys seen me do this so many times, but see how easy, nice, and crisp it cuts it. Then to fill it in, I'm taking my 16-hour camo. This is the second lightest shade, and filling in, and I'm just filling in the space that I did with the Q-tip. This technique literally takes seconds, and I am just patting down the concealer to set it. Now I'm taking this very beautiful pink shade. It's called You the One, and that's gonna go all over our full cut crease. Then to blend out the edge right there, I'm gonna go in with Angus, and this is just gonna help the look be more like cohesive and just blend into one another better. Then I'm going back in with those 2 shades and just seeing how high I want to take it. Now that I had the look done, I went back in and just smoked it out a little bit more. Then I took some eyelash curler, curled my lashes, and I applied some mascara. Now it's time to work on the face. I'm taking the NYX Marshmallow Primer, applying that to my face. This smells amazing, and it does do a good job on my pores. Then I'm taking this Born This Way matte foundation in golden beige. Yes guys, I am testing out this foundation. This one is new to me. If you guys saw my Ulta haul video, and can we just talk about how full coverage this is? Definitely full coverage here, and so far I love it. Now for bronzer, I'm taking the Persona contour stick in Sahara. I couldn't find my other ones, so I just happened to have this one close by and decided to use it. And I am taking my trusty BH Cosmetics kind of buffing brush to blend this out. Now for concealer, I'm taking the Rare Beauty in 230N. I did have a concealer to test out, a new one, but I decided to skip on it just because it's the NYX one, and it was, or basically it had a pump, and I didn't feel like having to grab a brush and like applying it. So I went ahead and just used my Rare Beauty. Now for powder, I am taking the Collab powder per usual, setting my under eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. And you guys know that I love to pat down the concealer, or I mean the powder. And now I'm taking a brush and basically just wiping away that powder. I took the Essence bronzing palette and took those 2 shades and basically bronze up my face as well as set the contour that I did. Now for blush, I'm taking the Volume 2 Duo and I'm taking that pink shade in the bottom because I feel like it matched better with the eyes, and just applying that with my Morphe blush brush. Now I am just carving out my face using the Collab powder. Working on the bottom lash line, I am taking Angus, then blending it out with the Pearl shade. Then for my inner corners, I went in with a white shade to make it pop. Now you guys know that I have to have a pop of color in the waterline, so I'm taking the ColourPop in Crybaby, but that was a little bit too dark, so I went in with a Essence white gel liner to go on top of that to brighten it up. Now this is what the eye is looking like. I'm going to do the other one off camera. Then I'm going to wipe away that powder to set my face. I'm going in with the Professional Super Setter. I love this spray. It's perfect if you have oily skin. I definitely recommend it. Then applying some bottom lash mascara. Working on the lips, I'm taking the KKW Nude number 2, and then I'm using a Wet n Wild Cloud Pout in Fluff Muffer, and that will complete the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.